In today's video, I'll show you how to download your Beautiful.ai presentation in PDF or PPT. First, search for Beautiful.ai in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, select the presentation you want to export. This is the file you've already finished or are ready to share. After opening the presentation, you'll be taken to the editing page where all your slides are visible. Next, go to the top left of the screen and click Presentation. From the drop-down menu, click Export Presentation. Then click Export Presentation again to open the export options. This is where you can choose the file format you need. First, let's export the presentation as a PowerPoint file. Click the circle beside PowerPoint, then click Export. Wait a few seconds while Beautiful.ai processes and prepares the file. Once the export is complete, open your Downloads folder, click the file and review it. You'll see that the presentation is now saved as a PowerPoint file that you can edit or present offline. Now, go back to Beautiful.ai. Click Export Presentation again, choose PDF, and then click Export once more. This format is useful if you want a fixed layout for sharing or printing. After it finishes loading, open the file from your Downloads folder, and you'll see the presentation has been successfully exported as a PDF. And that's it. That's how you download your Beautiful.ai presentation in PDF or PPT.